Yo, what's up? It's your boy. It's the boy. It's that boy named Dinah. Back at it again with another video. And I am very much excited again to do this video. I'm actually doing corn, sausage, eggs, shrimp, and rice. Yeah. With the Bloves Smackalicious sauce.
Are you gonna eat all of that?
Mom, you and Dad always ask me that question, and the same response is, yes, I'm gonna eat all this.
Think about that, all that in your stomach.
Mom, I'm saving some for Limo. So yes, I have a guest here. Yes, there we go. All right, over here. Okay, all right, guys. Yes, we are here. Let me put you guys back a little bit so that she can be a part of this. I am not eating all this by myself. I mean, although I could. I'm saving some for wifey. She's showering right now. But we are gonna get it in. Ooh, that Bloves sauce. Oh my gosh. Shout out to my sister Nia for making it. You know, I had to refrigerate that bad boy. But yeah, we got some shrimp. It's not the biggest shrimp, but it's shrimp. Got some corn, some eggs, and some sausage, and some rice again. But yeah, oh sorry. So, we got like a dual recording going on. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna pray for the food, bless the food, and then, yeah, enjoy some of the music in the background. Alright, thank you, Jesus, for this food. Bless this food. In your mighty and precious name, I pray. Amen. Alright, before I start, I want to remind you guys, I'm still trying to hit the 1,000 subscribers, so you got the queen of burps in the back. Yes!
Well, I always like to start off with the eggs.
How about you? Who in the world? I cannot with you. She's so irritating. She grabbed the egg and she broke it. Why would you do that? Oh my god. So yeah, I'm trying to hit the 1,000 subscribers. So if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. I'm so dead. I'm done with you. This song.
I forgot it wasn't an ASMR.
Big River, the lemon over there, cut it in half and bring it. I totally forgot the lemon rain. But yeah. Yo, don't mind the music in the back. Mama's studying and she's getting her print on. Alright? So it might be a little loud, but it's okay. So the first time I ate this, I took the first bite and it went straight to my stomach and it didn't sit well for some reason. But I know why, because it usually happens to me when I eat at all, anything. So, can you give me some water? Yo, we got the lemon rain. We got the lemon rain going on. Right? Oh, pass a plate, a small plate so I can put empty stuff on. Alright, I'm gonna get this water real quick so it can sit well with me. Yo, this sauce is so amazing. I'm telling you right now. I'm gonna just lay this right here. Okay, I'm gonna lay that sauce right there because it's amazing. Alright, let me just put it over my waffle. Okay, hear that? I'm gonna say with some Bloves sauce too as well. Okay, maybe some shrimp in there. These are my hands because they're clean, so don't worry. Okay. Oh, she's singing. She is singing for God. Hallelujah. Yo, I'm gonna do just like B. Put a whole hand in there. Oh, Jesus. Get the rain on him. Rain on him. Yo. So my birthday is in about 25 minutes. Yes, this is my birthday mukbang. Sorta. Ooh. It's over there. See, you're gonna be out of the room. Okay. Yes, we do. Forever. So this is what we missed in the last video. The corn. And we wanted to try it so bad. But we're trying it now, so. Ooh, Lord Jesus. Take the wheel, God. Ooh, that's hot. See that? Ooh, see all that flavor? Ooh. Yes. Glory. I almost forgot the rain again. Oh, Lord Jesus.
He's too excited.
Ooh, I am.
I think I saved that song, Consuming Fire, so you can listen to it.
Consuming Fire? I think I've heard it before. Find it. Can you find it, Mom?
There are some malls over there in Africa.
Oh, yeah?
In this convention.
Who? Yeah. Hey, honey. Look at that. I'm gonna try the sausage. Because I didn't try the sausage yet today. Y'all don't even know. If y'all haven't tried this, y'all need to get on. I really want to try the packet. Yo, going in. You about to get a wake up. Look at that goodness. Ooh, I want that. Hold up. Let's go by my girl. Like rain from the lemon. Yeah. Can you pour some on? You know, I was fiending for this sauce after the Sunday video. Amazing.
Man, I wish we had some cucumbers.
Yo, if we had cucumbers, it'd be a lot more refreshing. If you sort of mine.
I ate mine. That's yours.
Okay. Ooh.
I'm in Amsterdam, which is without a doubt the cannabis capital of the
honestly
world.
Do not know
And that's
what to say.
You
But thank you so much,
rain
B.
me?
Thank you so much, B, for just making this sauce.
Yep. vegan's healthy.
Our vegetarian's healthy. French fries and beer are vegan. Our vegan's healthy. Our vegetarian's healthy.
Yo.
French fries and beer are vegan. So you tell me.
Are you not in it?
Ernest Hemingway wrote The Old Man and the Sea at 52. Satchel Paige was still dominating batters at 50.
All right, we're gonna move a little bit to the side so why you don't want to be in the video right now.
At Wink, we love great wine, which is why we make it. We make it easy to find wine
Amazing.
you love.
It's good with corn.
4 different varieties from vineyards all
So
over
good
the
makes you
world.
want to smack your own grandma. I mean.
Let's smack your mama for you.
With that.
Yo, this sauce.
Our vegan's healthy.
So, cause it was kind of, it was a lot of
French fries and beer are vegan.
things going on here.
So you
I added some margarine to it just to get more.
Who's hot?
Yo, this is that kind of food you just put your whole hands in.
Have you ever seen thing about Pastor Wilson?
Who?
Pastor Wilson. Who's that? It's that viral video that went around.
Pastor Wilson.
What was it? You ever see Grandma? I didn't really like the sausage, but the last one I just ate was pretty good.
Yo.
I kind of wish the rice was cold.
Mom, you want to try?
No.
She's tired.
I want to eat all of that, man. Like, you guys ask me all the time. It's like freaking man, all of that in your body.
I know Easter. Ooh. Thank you, Jesus.
Are you gonna eat that last corn?
Yo, you ate 2.
No, I only ate 1. I did that part. Okay. Hey guys, so
you want this?
we're almost done.
Come on. I don't want it. Sure?
Yeah, I think I'm done.
Yum.
That was a lot.
Huh? Let me hand this on. Pass the duckies on the left hand side. Hey. Can you put me water?
Somebody's victorious come. Your season of manifestation. It shall manifest in your life.
What is going on? I told them there's some hurt going on in the background.
In the name of Jesus. Give him the highest praise.
Hallelujah.
When the praises go up, his glory comes down.
Y'all can come for me and be like, yo, too loud in the background, but I don't care.
You'd be like, leave comments. Can I get water, Mama, please? Get some that thing from there.
The hot water?
Yeah, I
Some
don't
people
know
have
if
it.
it's hot. Yeah, but this is all right.
The next 72 hours
Make sure it's hot. Maybe you say it on.
will define somebody's future. There are things that the Lord has for you. Nobody can take it from you. You will not get it. The devil like it or not.
Oh, you want it hot?
Ladies and gentlemen, this is not an announcement.
receive it.
You will not get it. The devil like it or not.
Yeah.
Jesus' name. Hallelujah.
You are forbidden to leave this place the same way you walked in. Look at the person next to you. Say, it's forbidden. It's forbidden. It's forbidden. It's forbidden.
Yeah,
You will not leave this place the same way you walked in.
I receive it.
yeah, take pictures.
Practice for what? Oh, for rugby?
Now find people, give them
Maybe if you're not doing anything on Saturday,
Hallelujah.
have a game.
high five.
Glory to
You're
Jesus.
saying something.
Ooh, that's too long.
You're saying something.
I receive
Son, this is the birth queen. So I have a rugby game this Saturday, October 26th, at Portland Ave Community Center in Tacoma. Kickoff is at 1.
If you are here for the IVP,
We will not be here.
altars
We will be in
together.
Portland.
Amen.
And
Yeah.
I am saying this. I am saying it in the name of the
My birthday was October 17th. I turned 20. That's spice.
While we go, we turn one.
We were 11.
When she turned one.
Her? 99. 99.
Not 11.
Equal. Tell me what age I was. I know. I don't know. Huh? I tell you what. Who's over here? Who's on the other side recording me mom's reactions. Because her facial is at me.
What?
So, Uma has the phone on the other side, facing that way. To try and catch the facial reaction. Because all I hear is this. I want that. Yo.
A lot of people? Mama?
What?
Oh, yeah. Yeah?
You can go in. Couple more to go. Okay, yeah. Or maybe just one. Yo. Over the left one. Got a couple more eggs. One corn that's gonna get devoured right now. Nope.
Ili mawala wine na yun. Yung mayo ami.
Huh?
Mayo Roy Aveli Kiak. They haven't received it yet.
This is Sunday, Saturday.
Yeah.
Well, the other box, remember? Downstairs.
You know how they say I'm the always pad? What's the symbol? Remember they or they posted that the
Mill.
yeah the transgenders, they're trying to make the always take off their symbol so it could be for all genders.
Why? All genders
And
get
where?
it?
Where?
This company, they
What?
always. So they're transgenders. They're trying to make them change their symbol so it could be for everybody.
Well, why? They don't bleed, do they?
I love you, hallelujah, ministry.
Why they gonna change it? They put it too far, man.
Hey, do you want to use it for fun? Go ahead.
Whoa.
I think this week I'm gonna just have it.
Okay. Yeah, I feel like wearing it. That was good. That sounds nice.
They have some nice songs then.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
When was this election?
You know, like Jamaican
Today.
songs.
When? Like what time?
Mm-hmm.
Grandma?
Mom.
About what time was this election? This election?
Oh, I just made it.
Just now?
Yeah. Ang mga ay kaunti kung sa le ay kay.
Did you want me to wash your cup? Grandma?
Huh?
Did you want me to wash your cup?
No, just I just run water.
Yo,
The hot water.
I'm gonna hold it right now.
Did you want me to wash it?
I'm just about done. Anyway.
That's understandable.
Oh, that's what I said. I didn't know you had two lights.
If you put back swallow, it's okay, but you put hot water.
I didn't know you had two lights.
Alright. Thank y'all for tuning in. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you guys want to see in the next future videos. Yeah, don't forget, help me hit that 1,000 subscribers. And don't forget, I'm gonna have a giveaway when I hit 300.
So you tell me.
Alright?
But seriously, the easy
Alright,
part
alright,
for
alright.
most of my clients.
Alright. Catch you on the next one. Peace. And we're out.
Everyone.
Thank you. Yeah,
I think we're out. Hold on. Dang.
only